been running for 3 or 4 minutes. You just touch the key, lights right off. Good oil pressure, no temp issues. Right at 1,000 miles on a complete frame off restoration. So everything got touched. Gauges all work properly. Forward, reverse. Yeah, it's a great car.